Hello and welcome to Talim with Omay Anwar. Have you ever wondered why some students like mathematics so much that it becomes their favorite subject? And why do some students face so much difficulty in math lessons that they just don't like it and want to avoid it at all costs? Well, in our opinion, the answer lies in the teaching methods and techniques followed for teaching the subject. If math lessons are taught using effective and engaging ways and make the content easy for learners, students also start taking interest. Start practicing the problems and go on to develop mastery by rigorous practice and taking on challenges for learning mathematics. This genuinely enables them to score well in their assessments and exams also. At Talim with Omay Anwar, we try to do the same. We try to create tutorials and lessons of mathematics of O-level and A-level in such a way that students get sufficient facilitation in learning the subject. We try to enable them with the ways, methods and techniques that they are themselves able to explore the new levels and depths of the subject. We avoid over-facilitation and try to develop the interest of learners in the subject so that they are able to connect and explore the different dimensions of the subjects. Our services include online tutorials, one-on-one and group tutoring. To get notified for our content and tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and share with others.